Hey YouTube, today I'm going to teach you how to delete your Snapchat account. It is actually surprisingly hard to do so. You have to go pretty deep into the settings. I understand why they might want to kind of hide this feature. They don't really want people deleting their accounts and decreasing the number of users they have. However, I also think that there's a lot of good reasons for you to delete your account. You know, perhaps you think you're wasting too much time on Snapchat, you want to delete it and focus more. Or maybe you're grounding your child. Maybe you don't want them on Snapchat, you found that they have an account, so this is you deleting them. Or maybe you just don't feel safe on the app for whatever reason. Today I'm going to show you how to go into the settings and delete it. I'm going to be screen recording here, so you can follow along on my screen right here. So first things first, we're going to click the upper left hand side to access our profile page, and then we're going to click the upper right gear icon in order to access our settings. Next, we're going to scroll down until we see the Help Center, which is right in the privacy section. So we're going to click Help Center. It'll take a little bit to load, and then we will scroll down and click into the My Account and Security section. Once here, we have all these options. It is actually in the sub-tab under Account Information, so we're going to tap Account Information. Then we are going to press Delete My Account. This takes you to a page that shows you other options outside of deleting your account. Once again, they really don't want you deleting your account. However, it does become deactivated for 30 days first if you try to delete it. So if you do change your mind within the first 30 days, you can always come back and activate your account. But after those 30 days, your entire account history will be deleted. So here we scroll down. It gives you all sorts of related links. It's not really easy to find where to delete your account. So it is actually hidden in this blue text that says go to the accounts portal. So we're going to tap the accounts portal and it's going to load. So here we are going to just enter our username and password, and then our account will be deleted. For this tutorial, I'm not actually going to enter my password and delete my account, but you can enter yours. Click continue, and then your account will be deactivated for 30 days and then deleted subsequently. So yeah, that's about it for this video, guys. You can also contact Snapchat and ask them to send you your data. I think this is part of the whole GDPR movement. So if you're interested in doing that before you delete your account, go ahead and do so. But once you enter your password, your account will be deactivated for 30 days, and then after that, it'll just be deleted. Hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like. If not, if you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and I will answer them. So thank you guys for watching, and good luck.